Hi, I'm Nichole Fecteau from Better Homes and Gardens, the Masiello Group. Welcome to the Dr. Nathaniel Lowe House located at 117 Portland Ave in South Berwick, Maine. This home is set on a 1-acre in-town lot. It was built in 1786 and features 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Because of its historical nature, it's got some really unique attributes to it. Come on inside and let's check them out. The formal entry to the house features this beautiful room that has wide pine floors, an adorable little sitting area, and some pantry closets. It also offers direct entry to the family room as well as the kitchen. This kitchen is the only thing about the house that isn't period authentic. It is a modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a nice deep basin sink, and a chef's range. Just off the kitchen is this beautiful little sitting room that really is the heart of the home. It features a large original fireplace, complete with bread oven that you can use to bake bread and pizzas. Off of the heart of the home is a beautiful bathroom with huge soaking tub, another modern amenity in this historically accurate home. Just off of the central room is a beautiful formal dining room. This room features wide pine floors, a wood-burning fireplace, gorgeous exposed beams, gunstock corners, and Indian shutters. Across the front of the home is the living room, and this is a really nice cozy room with the period appropriate windows, again the wide pine floors, and another wood burning fireplace. Before we head upstairs, let's check out the backyard. There's a really nice long deck across the back of the house, a beautiful brick patio, and this is right off of the family room, so it allows a lot of light into that room and expands your living area in the summertime. This is a large lot for being in town. It's just shy of 1 acre and it's fenced in on 3 sides, really well manicured lawn, and a beautiful yard.